Hello and welcome to SyedRaza TechCraft. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch off the SafeSearch setting on your iPhone. There are two ways to do it, so make sure you watch this until the end. So the first option is to open your browser. On the first homepage of Google, you need to scroll down and click Settings. Inside the settings, you will click again to the search settings. And here you will see SafeSearch option. You need to click it and switch it off from here. To the iPhone settings. Inside these settings, you scroll down and find Screen Time. From here, you need to click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Inside the Content and the Privacy Restrictions, you scroll down and you will see the option of App Stores Media and Web Games. Click on it, and from here you will find Web Content. Click on it and select Unrestricted. So that's how you can switch off your SafeSearch settings if you need to. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps.